Yes, guys, how to create printables for Etsy. Let's go. Guys, hope you guys are well. So, okay, we're looking at popular printables in Etsy, right? That's what I typed in, popular printables in Etsy. And then literally this is what they've given me. They give me all kind of popular ones from greeting cards, color paintings, printable journals, popular vehicle prints, guys, wall art, quotes, prints, downloadable wall art again, affirmation cards, guys. There's so many different types and different niches within Etsy that are actually very, very popular. And like I said, look, in terms of the digital downloads and the digital printables, they're becoming more and more popular now on Etsy. So it's a really good time to get into it. Look at this. Look, today's a good day. You got Tom and Jerry. Look at this. Merry t-shirt designs, self-development journal down here, guys. It's literally, look, it's everything, guys. Look at this one. So there's different types. There's so many popular types. Literally, that's what they're saying. And so to get into a popular one, a good one, I think it's very important to go with something that is quite simple to do, something, again, that is popular, that people want, and then really that is a good way to get started on Etsy. So here's a good example, and I'll show you this. This is a wedding invitation, right? Simple wedding invitation, I guess, minimalist, not too difficult, and you can see it's quite popular as well. And you can see that it's a straight digital download here. You got the digital file types, you got one PDF, and you got a lot of people that love it. And it tells you, and it's telling you straight away, look, personalized with Canva, and like this is created with Canva and can be personalized with Canva. So guys, obviously this is something that you create with Canva, and it's not difficult to do, guys. It's very, very easy. This is the thing with this. To get to selling anything on Etsy, especially digital downloads, when there's nothing really physical that you need to sell, it's literally digital, it's passive. All you need to do is upload it once, and all you really need to do is just deal with customers after that. You don't really need to deal with much in terms of like having to send inventory, having to deal with that side of it. And again, it's so cost effective. So it's amazing. And guys, like I keep saying, here you go. This is Canva. This is my go-to design website, design software website, which to me is probably the best out there. I use it for my channels. I use it for literally everything, guys. For my thumbnails for my channels, or my designs, my Fiverr gigs, whether it be for Etsy, anything that I want to do, I can do it through Canva. So like I said, guys, there are many different versions, like here's a wedding invitation style. And look, they've got different types and different design, hundreds of designs, by the way, guys, hundreds of designs of this. And they are so nice and so simple and so easy to adapt, guys. And like I said to you, you can try, you can actually use this for free, but if you want to try the pro version, please hit the link in my description where you can try it out for free and see how it works for you. But I know for a fact you'll love it, because I've loved it for a long time now. So yeah, I'm really a strong advocate of Canva, and many people use it. It's a very, very popular thing to use. So obviously some of you will know this already, so I might be kind of saying it, but you already know. But I just can't stop talking about Canva. I think it's amazing. So anyways, here's a really nice simple invitation. Again, look, if I look at the example, I would even argue that this is probably nicer, but look, this is selling pretty well anyway. It's got the names of the people that are getting married with the date, and that's it. And literally, the example that I have is exactly the same. The date, nice font style. It's got a nice floral design around it. Really nice, simple floral design. If you zoom in, you can actually see it. The clarity in it is really nice. Nice and clear. Look at that. Look at that writing, that font style. I really like it. So how you customize it for the people that you're selling it to is really simple. I mean, if you're actually creating it for someone, maybe they're called Emma and Mike, for example, Emma and Mike are getting married, and they're getting married on what have they got? March the 10th. So we can just change that to maybe it's going to be April, right? April the 20th. April the 20th. And then you can just, that's how you customize it. And there is nothing to this one. And then obviously change the address. Guys, look how simple that was to do. And then what you do is, all you need to do is very simply, I think, what did they have? Let's just go back to that one. They got it. I think they said they had it as a PDF, digital download, digital file type PDF. You could do exactly the same. There's different file types that you could use, which is nice, which Canva allows for. So if I go to share, and then I could go to download. When you go to download, you got different file types, right? And they suggest different ones. So let's say PDF. I could use PDF because PDF print is best for printing. That's probably why the other person sells it in that format. So click on that and then click download. Obviously, it will quickly download. And literally, guys, that's if you want to print, but I don't need to print right now. All I'm doing is downloading it. I've got my PDF there. And I've got for Emma and Mike on Monday the 20th, the invitation. And the clarity is really nice. The design is really nice. Guys, that's all you need to do. That's as simple as that. This is how you create a very simple printable for Etsy. And my suggestion is, if you look at what's popular, like I've just shown you, go to Etsy, type in what's popular, and then actually drill down on the niche. So sometimes when you look at a specific niche, it might be popular, but also might be a lot of competition. So you need to drill down. You might say something like a minimalist, maybe add a word, a minimalist wedding invitation card, a simple wedding invitation card. Whatever it is, just kind of add another word that you can add to it that actually helps you have less competition when you're looking at this. But you most definitely need to make sure that you, first of all, choose a popular niche, and a lot of these are very popular, and then actually drill down to something which has less competition, right? So wedding invitations are very popular, but then you might say something else. You might say a minimalist wedding invitation design style, or you might say a floral design style, because then that becomes more specific for the people that are looking for it. So guys, that's all you need to do. And then simply go to Canva and again, start having a look. If you're looking for a floral style, make sure you've got floral designs and so on. And then this is how you simply create it on Canva. Like I said, please look at my free trial in the description where you can try out Canva if you haven't already tried it out. And guys, please check out my other videos on my playlist on Canva designs and other things that I do designs for. But I do hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, guys, and I shall see you on the next one. Take care.